Hey everybody, this was Dustin, your RV specialist. So I just thought it was kind of funny, you know, I guess we call them cousins, right? Imagines, Brinkleys, I don't know. Anyways, I just was walking on the lot. I'm doing my thing, checking out my guys, doing videos. And so it just cracked me up that I see these two side by side here. And, and then, hey, Terry. Terry's working on Winnebago. If you haven't seen this Winnebago, so this one's been in a video a few times for all kinds of water leaks back in the day when it was brand new and it came in. It came in now, I think, for like a refrigerator issue, and I don't know the outcome of that. This one also was brand new here maybe a year ago, and the customers used to own an Imagine, and they owned a Reflection, and then they ended up getting out of it and getting into this Winnebago. We did not only exterior evaluation on this Winnebago, but we did a video where they basically paid us to go back through it and find all the stuff that was wrong, and we found a ton of stuff that was wrong. It's still been coming back for different little miscellaneous repairs, and at this time it's here to go ahead and do some some solar panels on it, and then also some off-on switches in the fans. So I'll catch back up with Terry later than that, but I was just, being comical, being my normal smarty 50 guy, but I just want to say, hey, these are cousins, right? Same people work on them. They jump from job to job to job and back and forth, but anyways, thanks so much for building them. We appreciate all the business, and we're glad that everybody goes out and travels in them and camps and has a great time. We want you to go out and have memories, but we also want you to maintain these guys, right? So we preach a lot about maintenance. So actually we do outdoors warranty. If you didn't know, we do Grand Design warranty. We do Brinkley warranty. We kind of technically, we're still an authorized service center for Winnebago, but we haven't decided to start doing their warranty work again. It's just a little bit too difficult. But anyways, thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Dustin, your RV specialist.